Hi guys!
Hi girls!
Today we're gonna show you how to make
Banana pancakes. Actually it's very easy and healthy recipe and you need only a few ingredients. Here we have all of them. I will use two kinds of nuts and you can use the same almonds and hazelnuts, or if you wish, or if you have allergy, you can use different kind of nuts. 2 eggs and oat flakes and 2 bananas. We use proportion 1 banana for 1 egg. So 2 bananas, 2 eggs. It's very easy. So let's start. First I will peel the skin of bananas. So bananas are peeled and I will add oat flakes first. Later our nuts. And now I will blend it in the blender because I will have Okay, and now we get some kind of flour, and this is very healthy, gluten-free and rich of proteins. And now we are going to add our bananas and eggs and blend it together. So now we get our smooth dough for pancakes, and the next step is heating the pan. So I will heat it into the, little complication. Yeah, I will heat it into the middle heat. I will use coconut oil. You can use different one if you don't have or if you don't like, but it's really nice taste. Smell is amazing around here. It's hard to wait until they finish to try them.
Boy.
So our pancakes are ready for flipping, and it's really important to flip them carefully and gently because they don't have flour, and that's why it's really important. Yeah. So I'm going to flip the last one. Oops. Yeah. So we are waiting 2 minutes after flipping until the pancakes are ready. And I am waiting.
hungry.
Yeah, hungry and waiting and waiting.
Okay, they smell great, but they look kind of sad, as healthy food usually do. So, to make them look more pretty, we add some yogurt and some banana and some more yogurt, because we use two kind of. The one is vanilla and the other one is some forest fruits, or yeah, something like that.
Yeah, okay. So that's how our banana pancakes look like. This is the result. You can decorate it many ways.
And even though they are healthy, as you see with some decoration, they look pretty amazing.
And more tasty. You can use different kind of decoration. Anyway, let us know how you like the recipe and enjoy. Bon appetit!